What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I have an iPhone 4. It has lots of memory on there. My mom, our family, is not able to power up. The glass is broken. I think the battery is not even working so powerfully.
Yeah.
If you can fix this, that would be awesome for us.
Did you drop it?
I dropped it many times, actually.
So nothing works,
And the buttons,
basically.
you can't even press the buttons
No.
to access anything with it.
No, but we have lots of memories on there. If you're able to fix it, that'd be awesome, bro.
Don't worry. I got you.
Bless.
Thank you.
Home button and the power button both don't work. Phone is on. And pregnant battery. We're gonna change everything. Surgery time. Somebody worked on this before. As you see, screws is missing. Get this main board. How perfect is this? They have mirror in there. Time to put everything back in the housing.
What's this? Wait. Nice. Okay, good. Good boy. Hey, nice. Good boy. Hey. Look at this. Like nothing happened. Can I get a wow for clean job?
Your phone is ready,
We're all done?
sir.
We're able to do it?
Yes, sir.
Oh my
Fantastic.
goodness.
Check it out. Take a look at it, bro.
It's
Let me
good to
take
go.
a feel. Let me take
Oh
a
my
look.
goodness. Let me see. Back up
Oh,
so
my
Let's back up for
goodness.
that camera. Let's back up a little bit. Come on, let
Power
the people
button
see
looks
it too.
good.
Come
The power
on.
button looks good.
Let me see.
You replaced the glass in front and back. You did some
Everything.
serious surgery in this.
Yes.
Yeah, this car.
Power-
Thank you so
This-
kindly, brother.
This
No
was
problem.
what's the cars when they crash fully? What? What is a turbo crash? Total. It was a total.
Total.
It was a total. It was a total.
This was totaled.
You brought it back to life, brother. Thank
And
you
that
so
was
much.
Totally perfect.
Yes.
Yo, great
I'm
job.
gonna tell my friends about this place,
Money
man. Thank
talks,
you.
man. Money talks. Money talks.
And we came from Queens, all the way
Wow.
from Queens, New
Thank
York.
you.
Bring your money and let it talk.
That's right.